Keep going, your future self is watching. There will be days when you question your path, when the results don't match the effort, and when the world feels like it's moving forward while you're stuck in the same place. But remember this, every step you take, no matter how small, is building a version of you that will look back with gratitude. Your future self will thank you for not quitting. Growth isn't loud. Progress isn't always obvious. But it's happening. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Discipline outlasts motivation. Motivation comes and goes, it's like a wave. Sometimes it's high and pushes you forward, other times it fades. But discipline is your anchor. It's the decision to keep showing up, even when no one is watching. It's waking up and putting in the work even when you don't feel like it. Real success isn't about being motivated every day, it's about being consistent. Keep showing up, keep pushing through. Discipline will take you where motivation can't. You are allowed to start over. Don't be afraid of beginning again. Whether it's a dream that failed, a plan that didn't work, or a goal that feels too far away, it's okay to reset. You are not your mistakes. You are not your failures. You are the resilience it takes to stand up and try again. Life will throw detours your way, but the journey is still yours. So start over, start fresh, start stronger. Your restart might be the beginning of your greatest story yet. Your effort is never wasted. Even when it feels like nobody sees you, when the likes don't come, the promotion doesn't happen, or the results feel small, know this, your effort is never wasted. Every ounce of energy you put into improving yourself, your craft, or your life is building something valuable. Keep watering your seeds. Success doesn't show up overnight, it shows up when you've done the work, again and again. Stay committed. Great things are growing beneath the surface. You are enough, but you're also becoming more. It's okay to want more. To strive for better. But don't let the hunger for growth make you feel like who you are right now isn't worthy. You are enough, right now, in this moment. And the beauty of life is that even while being enough, you still get to grow, to learn, to rise. So keep working on your goals, but do it with love for who you already are. The journey is about becoming, not proving. Storms don't last forever. Life is a way of testing you in ways you never expected, through disappointments, delays, heartbreaks, and obstacles. But no storm, no matter how intense, lasts forever. The clouds will clear. The sun will rise again. And when it does, you'll realize how strong you've become. Don't let temporary pain make you forget the permanent strength within you. You've survived every bad day so far. You'll get through this one, too. Hold on. Brighter days are ahead. Your journey is yours alone. Comparison is a thief of joy. What someone else achieves has nothing to do with your own timeline. You are not late. You are not behind. You are exactly where you're supposed to be. Your growth, your healing, your success, it's all unfolding in your own perfect rhythm. Trust the process. Keep your eyes on your own path. You don't need to match someone else's pace to find your greatness. Your journey is beautifully, uniquely yours. Small wins matter. Not every victory will be a loud celebration. Some wins are quiet, getting out of bed on a hard day. Choosing to be kind when you're hurting. Trying again after failing. These small moments, they matter. They build character, they build strength, and they create momentum. Don't overlook them. Celebrate the progress you make, even if it's tiny. One small win at a time, you're becoming unstoppable. Your dream needs you to believe first. Before anyone else claps for you, you have to clap for yourself. Before anyone sees your vision, you have to see it clearly. Every dream begins with belief, belief that it matters, belief that it's possible. And belief that you are the one meant to bring it to life. The world may doubt you. Let them. But don't doubt yourself. You don't need permission to shine. Start where you are. Believe in your dream like it's already real. You're not too old, too late, or too broken. Erase the idea that there's an expiration date on your potential. You're not too old to start over. You're not too late to change paths. And you're not too broken to heal and rise. Every single day you wake up is a fresh chance to become the person you've always wanted to be. Don't count yourself out because of what was. Choose to focus on what can be. Your best chapter might still be ahead. The hard days build the strongest you. It's easy to stay motivated when everything's going right. But your true strength shows up when life gets messy, when the pressure is heavy, when the path is unclear, when giving up seems easier. These are the days that build you. Every hardship is shaping your patience, your discipline, your character. The strongest version of you isn't built in comfort, it's built in the fire. So when things get tough, don't see it as the end. See it as the making of you. Every step counts, even the slow ones. There's a lie we often believe, that progress only counts if it's fast. But growth isn't a race. Healing isn't a sprint. Success isn't overnight. Some days, your biggest achievement will be just moving forward at all. And that's more than enough. Slow progress is still progress. Keep taking one more step, even if it's shaky. One more move forward, even if it's quiet. Over time, the steps you take today will lead to the places you dream about tomorrow. Protect your peace, guard your energy. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Some people, environments, and habits drain more than they give. And when your soul is tired, your dreams suffer. Choose peace over proving. Choose growth over drama. Choose alignment over approval. The most powerful version of you comes to life when you're not distracted by things that don't serve you. Protect your peace like it's sacred, because it is. You are stronger than you think. You've already been through moments you thought would break you, and look, you're still standing. That's not weakness. That's strength. Quiet strength. The kind that grows through pain and emerges through resilience. Don't underestimate your power just because you're tired. You've overcome so much to be here today. And whatever you're facing right now, you have the strength to overcome that too. You are not fragile. You are fierce. Work in silence. Let results speak. You don't have to broadcast every move you make. The real ones know that silence is power. Let people doubt you. Let them sleep on your potential. While they talk, you build. While they watch, you grow. The best way to silence doubt is with undeniable results. So stay focused. Stay consistent. Let your success echo louder than your words ever could. It's not over until you win. Setbacks don't mean you're finished. Failure doesn't mean the dream is dead. It only means you're learning, growing, and evolving. Champions aren't the ones who never fall. They are the ones who rise every single time they do. Don't let one hard moment make you abandon a lifetime of potential. You may have to take a break. You may have to start over. But never quit on yourself. It's not over until you win. Your mind is your superpower. The way you speak to yourself shapes your reality. Talk to yourself like someone you love. Feed your mind with belief, encouragement, and purpose. When your mindset shifts, everything around you begins to align. You don't need everything figured out. You just need the belief that you can figure it out. Train your mind to see possibility, not problems. Because your thoughts become your actions, and your actions build your future. Progress doesn't always look like winning. Sometimes progress means resting. Sometimes it's saying no. Sometimes it's finally asking for help. Don't confuse exhaustion with failure. Progress isn't always hustle and noise. Sometimes it's quiet healing, deep reflection, and silent battles won in your own mind. You are still moving forward, even if it feels slow. Honor the journey. Respect the pace. Your progress is valid. The vision is yours for a reason. That dream burning inside you. That idea that won't let go. That's not random. It was planted in you for a reason. And it's not meant for anyone else to understand, it's yours. Stop waiting for others to validate your vision. Stop asking for permission to chase it. You've already been chosen. Now it's time to move. Keep going, your future self is watching. There will be days when you question your path, when the results don't match the effort, and when the world feels like it's moving forward while you're stuck in the same place. But remember this, every step you take, no matter how small, is building a version of you that will look back with gratitude. Your future self will thank you for not quitting. Growth isn't loud. Progress isn't always obvious. But it's happening. Keep going. You're closer than you think. Discipline outlasts motivation. Motivation comes and goes, it's like a wave. Sometimes it's high and pushes you forward, other times it fades. But discipline is your anchor. It's the decision to keep showing up, even when no one is watching.